start get the grind going. Yeah, the limit is Scotty like 5 on. Stop being petty, I'm petty too.
Hey, that's a vibe. That's crazy. They gotta be the hook though.
Those are fire.
Something like that.
Yeah.
That is fire, bro. Ja, de drums al, hè?
Boom. Ik denk we moeten die naar boven pitchen voor de 808.
Ja.
Iets meer body te geven.
Hitting.
These things. Zo double 808's gebruiken is echt saus.
Ja, dat is echt die saus, hè?
Yeah, I got some dope. I feel it one. Yeah, yeah. Can I start keep the grind going? Yeah, the tell it's got me like 5 for it. What you willing to die for? Tell me before we gotta get let the pride go. What you willing to die for? Tell me before we gotta let that pride go. Show me what you bad for. Everybody go tell me. Yeah, that's the one.
Another session. Today we're doing another session.
Directly, man. So the energy, as long as this energy right here, we should use it. Once it's gone, bro. You gotta use the energy right now.
That's facts.
I fuck with that beat, man. You went crazy on that beat. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Can I stop? Get the grind going. Yeah, the limit is got me like 5 on. What you willing to die for? To move forward, we gotta let that pride go. She want Coco Chanel too. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Told her I'm being petty too. Can I start get the grind going? Yeah, the limit is Scotty like 5 on. What you willing to die for? To move forward, we gotta let that pride go. She want Coco Chanel too. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Yeah. Tell her stop being petty too.
Beats.
Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna hit. This is the first take, but I'm not saying it's perfect, but you know, we just gonna. I need to find a key first, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, you went crazy on that beat. She want Coco Chanel too. Tell her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Yeah. Tell her stop being petty, I'm petty too.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta stop with the grind going. Yeah, the limit is county like 5 horns. What you willing to die for? To move forward, we gotta let that pride go. She want Coco Chanel too. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too.
Yeah. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Can I start get the grind going? Yeah, the limit is scatty like 5 on. What you willing to die for? Them before we got let that pride go. She want Coco Chanel too. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Yeah. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Yeah. This one for all of my listeners. I was kinda weak cooking it with me.
I'ma try to be talking like this.
This one for all of my lizard. Here, I'm at the front end, no longer the back seat. It's a jungle, we trying to survive. Okay, that's hard.
The shawty, she bringing me pie. Always fuse that to head like a spy.
It's a jungle, we trying to survive. Yeah, that one hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, it's a jungle, we trying to inspire.
We trying to survive.
Yeah,
that one.
yeah. It's a jungle, we trying to survive. Oh, that shit sound tight, man.
Jungle, we trying to survive.
My lessons, I was kinda weak cooking it with me. I'm at the front end, no longer the back seat. On some top, they finna listen. I keep the fight cause I know that I'm fine. Yeah, the shawty, she bringing me pie. Yeah, always fuse that to head like a spy. It's a jungle, we trying to survive.
This is hard, bro.
Yeah.
Now, like in the back, cause I'm about to put the vibes and shit. You know, this shit is crazy.
That's crazy, bro.
You know what I'm saying? This the type of song I wanted to have with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, on, you know, on the beats, like lit, like God. And now finally, yeah, we got this shit, bro. Damn.
Real shit.
Now I can play this shit. I'll be like, yeah, that shit
Yeah.
lit, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Now the money up, yeah. Now they take a nigga serious, yeah. Rest in peace to my dog, yeah. They did a nigga dirt, yeah. Yeah, my youngest hot as fuck, yeah. They really put in work. Stuck keep the grind going, yeah. The limit is county like 5 horns. What you willing to die for? Them before we got it, that pride go. She want Coco Chanel too. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Yeah. Told her stop being petty, I'm petty too. Can I start get the grind going? Yeah, the limit is county like 5 horns.
At all times I gotta keep you all night. She wanna get, she wanna pay on her home. She wanna pay, she wanna stack it, I'll be home. She wanna pay, she hoping I don't hit her wrong. Don't hit her wrong. Yeah. Alright. I found a crazy flow, man. What the fuck? That's fire.
That should go crazy.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Yo, that's a flow I'm about to use.
Feeling take you home to my spot. Feeling take you home to my spot. I would like to take you home. You don't wanna take you home. We don't wanna walk it away. She blessed till she hit the phone. And the rest of time it's away. To pay the price like me, hey, straight. She wanna get, she wanna pay, she wanna pay, she wanna suck it out of you. She wanna pay, she hoping I don't hit her wrong, don't hit her wrong.
Hey, that's a vibe.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
They gotta be the hook, though. Yo, I gotta listen to this fucking, yeah. Bet I can't take you home. I would love to take. I know you ain't coming home. I know you ain't. You probably won't come. I would love to bring you home. I would love to bring you home and home to some shit. I would love to take you home, but come to some ain't got me home. I would love to take you home, but come to some ain't got me home. Yeah, let me make it like a, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling like a different vibe. You know what I'm saying? I never did a song like that. Let me try. I would like to get on. I would like to bring you home, but gone to some. Yo, I gotta listen to this fucking, yeah. Super important.
Take you home to my spot. Feeling take you home to my spot. I would like to bring you home, but gone to some. May God be home. I know you tried giving you all, but gone too soon. I wish it was false. Bro, it's tight and never really open up. Left some broken hearts, cause you gone. It's a blessing, I had a chance to know. You a legend now, cause you gone. I guess it was your time, no one could help. How the fuck I'm supposed to tell you, okay, you gone? You always stand up when you fail. How could we fail to keep you safe, either right or wrong? Now your mom in pain, she won't expect you to come at home. Wish it was fate, we'll leave that key back to the Lord, to the Lord. I would love to bring you home, but gone too soon, may God be home. I know you tried giving you all, but gone too soon, I wish it was false. Rose tight and never really opened up.